watching Rushraj Classes YouTube channel. Today, whole world is facing one major problem, that is COVID problem. And the patients who are admitted in the hospital are facing the problem of getting oxygen. We come across the news that the patients are not getting oxygen in time, or there is a shortage of oxygen cylinders. So why this oxygen is essential? What exactly this oxygen do in our body? So this point I will make clear in this video with the help of one simple experiment. We all know that oxygen is essential for respiration. We breathe in air, we breathe out air. Okay, the little bit further definition. When we breathe in air, we take in oxygen, and when we breathe out air, we give out carbon dioxide in our body. What exactly happens in our body, I will explain you in detail in some other video. So today, just let us see what role oxygen exactly play in our body, why this is so much essential, why the patients die when they don't get the oxygen in time. So to perform this simple experiment, we require some simple ingredients which are easily available at home. Now to perform this experiment, the things required are one plate, candle, either matchbox or lighter, anything to light the candle, one glass, transparent glass we want here, and water. Okay. Now first what I will do here is I will light this candle. We will fix this candle at the center of this plate. The candle is fixed at the center of this plate. Now I'll pour water in this. Pour at least one full glass of water in this plate. Now we will put this glass on this lighted candle and let's see what happens. First, the candle goes off and there is rise in the water level here in this glass. There is a slight rise in the water level in this glass. Now let me explain why did we perform this experiment. What exactly I want to explain with the help of this experiment. Now why did we perform this experiment? To show that oxygen is essential for combustion. Same type of combustion takes place in our body. Why there is rise in the water level here in the glass? Because air, it consists of nearly 20 to 21% of the oxygen. So when we invert the glass over this candle, 20% of the oxygen which is present in the air inside the glass, that is used for the combustion, and that space is occupied by the water, and so there is rise in the water level in the glass. And same type of combustion, same type of slow combustion takes place in our body, in each and every cell of our body. Our whole body is made up of number of cells. When we say our body works means what? Each and every organ works. Each and every organ is made up of tissues. Tissues in turn are made up of cells. So when we want our each and every organ to function properly, each and every cell which is involved in the function of that organ should work properly. And to do work, energy is required, and this energy is released by respiration process. And for this respiration process, each and every cell should continuously get the oxygen. So when the cell don't get the sufficient oxygen, sufficient amount of energy is not produced. And when sufficient amount of energy is not produced, cells cannot function properly. And when cell stops working, organ stops working. And when organs stop working, whole body stop working. So this is the role of oxygen in our body. Oxygen, it should be supplied to each and every cell so that the cell continuously get the required amount of energy. So hope this is quite clear from this simple experiment. As I said, what exactly happens when the oxygen enters our body, how it flows, how it is carried to each and every cell, this respiration process I will definitely explain in one of my video. So for that, be in touch and subscribe our channel to get the regular updates of such interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.